Welcome back to my channel. And today's our topic is Vedic Mathematics Chapter 1 Multiplication. Before we go towards our first chapter, we must know what is Vedic Mathematics. A few things that you must know are: what is Veda? Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Who wrote this book? Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematics which was discovered by Indian mathematician Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Trithaji in the period between AD 1911 and 1918 and published his findings in a Vedic mathematics book by Trithaji Maharaj. What is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques or sutras to solve mathematical arithmetics in easy and faster way. It consists of 16 sutras or formulae and 13 sub-sutras or sub-formulae which can be used for problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, and conics. Now let's start with our first chapter, multiplication. Our first type is single digit. 8 multiplied by 9 and 5 multiplied by 6. Here we require the base as 10 because in both the questions the numbers are near to 10. Let's solve our first question. 8 multiplied by 9. Here we can see that 8 is 2 less than 10 and 9 is 1 less than 10. So here we will make a partition. Now we will find the product of 2 into 1, which is 2, and we will write it here. Now we can either subtract 2 from 9 or we can either subtract 1 from 8, which means we have to cross subtract. In both the cases, we will get our answer as 7, and we have to write a subtracted answer here in this partition. Now, see what these two numbers form. Yes, these form 72. This is how we can solve this. Now we will solve the next question. Here we can see that 5 is 5 less than 10 and 6 is 4 less than 10. Now we will find the product of 5 and 4, which is 20. But here we can see that 10 has only one zero, which means we can write only one digit here. So we will write 0 here and 2 will be a carry. Now we can either subtract 5 from 6 or 4 from 5. In both the cases, we will get our answer as 1. Now we have a carry in as 2. Now we will add 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So when 3 and 0 forms 30. So our answer is 30. Now, do you have a question? Why are we solving single digits? This is to understand how to find the product of big numbers. Now, type 2, two-digit multiplication. Now, can you multiply 97 into 98? Here we will require the base as 100, as both the numbers are nearest to 100. So here we can see that 97 is 3 less than 100 and 98 is 2 less than 100. Now 3 twos is 6, but we cannot write it as 6 as 100 has 2 zeros. So we can write it as 06. Now we can either subtract 3 from 98 or 2 from 97. But you must always choose a number which is smaller. So here I have subtracted 2 from 97, which will give me 95. So my correct answer is 9506. Now, can you multiply 92 into 87? Yes, the correct answer is 8004. Now let's see how. 92 is 8 less than 100 and 87 is 13 less than 100. Now we will again make a partition and we will do 8 multiplied by 13. Yes, the answer is 104, but we cannot write 104 as it is, as 100 has only 2 zeros in it. But 104 is of 3 digits, so we can only write 04. And our 1 is carry. Now we can either subtract 8 from 87 or 13 from 92. It will be much easier to subtract 8 from 87. But in both the case we will get 79. Now I have 79 as my answer, so I will add 1 which was carry to 79. So 79 plus 1 is equal to 80. Now 80 and 04 is equal to 8004. Wasn't it easy? Let's solve another question. 41 multiplied by 49. Here we can see that both the numbers are near to 50. Hence, we will take our base as 50. We can solve this question in two methods. First method. Here we will take the base as 50. So, here our working base is 10 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 50. So here we can see that 41 is 9 less than 50 and 49 is 1 less than 50. So here we can also see that 50 has only 1 0. So 9 ones are 9. Here we have partition. So in this side we will write 9 as it is. Now we will subtract 1 from 41, which is 40, and we will write it in this portion. But our working base here is 10 into 5. So now we will multiply it by 5, which will give us 200. So 2009 is the correct answer. Now let's see the second method. Here our working base is 100 by 2, which is 50. Means half of the 100 is 50. Here we will again see that 41 is 9 less than 50 and 49 is 1 less than 50. But here we can see that 100 has 2 zeros. So 9 into 1 is equal to 0, because we have to take 2 digits here. So we will write it as 09. Now we have taken our base as 100 by 2, which means when we subtract 1 from 41, we will get 40. Now we will divide it by 2, which will give us 20. So our answer is 2009. So in both the cases, our answer is 2009. Now can you solve 69 multiplied by 72? Yes, the correct answer is 4968. Let's see how. Here, both the numbers are nearest to 70. Hence, our base will be 70. So, here our working base is 10 into 7, which is 70. So, here 69 is 1 less than 70 and 72 is 2 more than 70. So, we will find the product of 1 multiplied by 2, We know it is 2, but which sign it will have? Plus, minus is always minus. So it will be minus 2. We know that minus 2 is less than 0. So we will put a 0 here. Now we can either subtract 1 from 72 or we can either add 2 to 69. In both the cases, we will have our answer as 71. So like in our working base, we have 10 multiplied by 7 is equal to 70. So we will multiply 7 to 71, which will give us 497. Now, as we were having here in this partition, 0 minus 2. So here we will have 4,970 minus 2. This was having as minus 2 sign. So we will subtract it. So it will give us as answer 4,968. Our final answer is 4,968. Wasn't it easy? Note, minus 1 multiplied by plus 2 is equal to minus 2. That is why we will subtract 2 from 4970. Here again, it is the question of plus and minus. So, here again we have partition, and here 4 into 4 is 16. Again, plus minus is minus, and minus 16 is less than 0, so 0 will come above it. Now we can either add 4 to 46 or we can either subtract 4 from 54. In both the cases, we will get answer as 50. Now as in working base, we have written 10 multiplied by 5 is equal to 50, which means we will multiply 50 by 5, which will give us answer as 250. So 250 and 0 forms 2500, and now as we were having minus 16, we will subtract 16 from 2500. So our answer will be 2484. Type 3. 3 and more digits. 104 multiplied by 102. As both the numbers are nearest to 100, we will take the base as 100. So 104 is 4 more than 100 and 102 is 2 more than 100. So 2 fours is 8, but as 100 has 2 zeros, we will write 0, 8. Now we can either do 102 plus 4 or 104 plus 2. In both the cases, we will get the answer as 106. So our correct answer will be 10,608. Now, can you multiply 249 and 246? Here we can observe that both the numbers are nearest to 250. Hence, our base will be 250. Here, our working base is 1000 divided by 4, which is equal to 250. Now, here we can see that 249 is 1 less than 250 and 246 is 4 less than 250. So 1 fours are 4. But here we can see that 1000 has 3 zeros. So we will write 004. Now here I will subtract 1 from 246 because it is much easier. So I will get 245. Now I will divide 245 by 4. Yes, I will get 61.25. Now here I can see that I have 2 zeros. So I will take off this point and I will place 25 in these zeros. So my final answer is 61,254. Wasn't it easy? Now, can you multiply 888 by 998? Yes, the correct answer is 8,86,224. Working base is 1000. So 888 is 112 less than 1000. But 998 is 2 less than 1000. Remember that we have 1000 as our working base, so we cannot write 2, we have to write 002. 888 has a big gap, whereas 998 has a small gap. When we take the base as 1000, it doesn't make much efforts. But if we take a number between these, it will take a long time. So we can simply take 1000, and now we will do 2 multiplied by 112, which will give us 224. Now I will subtract 2 from 888, which will give me 886. So my final answer is 8,86,224. Now, can you multiply 697 multiplied by 997? Here, our working base is again 1000, as it is nearest to 997. So 697 is 303 less than 1000, and 997 is 3 less than 1000. Again we will write here 003, as we need 3 digits here. Now we will multiply 303 by 3, which will give us the product as 909. Now I will subtract 3 from 697, which will give me the answer as 694. So here my final answer is 6,94,909. Multiply 99,979 by 99,999. Yes, the correct answer is 99978000021. Let's see how. Here our working base is 1 lakh. So 99,979 is 21 less than 1 lakh, and 99,999 is 1 less than 1 lakh. Now when we multiply 21 and 1, we will get answer as 21, and we will write here 00021. Here in this partition, we will subtract 1 from 99,979, which will give me answer as 99,978. So here my final answer is 99978000021. Now you have learned how to multiply big numbers in a few seconds. In my next video, you will be able to find tables from 1 to 99 in a few seconds without calculator. Till then, thank you.